In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add margins to your Canva design. This is a really handy feature to know because margins help keep your design neat, professional, and well balanced. They make sure all your text, images, and elements stay aligned and don't get too close to the edges, which is especially important if you plan to print your design. Let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project. It could be a poster, a presentation, a flyer, anything you're currently working on. Once your design is open, take a look at the top left corner of your Canva window. You'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. When you open this menu, you'll notice a few options related to your document, like saving, resizing, and some view settings. This menu is basically your control center for managing how your design looks and behaves. Now, from this menu, find the option called Wand Settings. Hover your mouse over it. You don't need to click yet, and you'll see another list appear beside it. This is where Canva keeps a bunch of useful toggles and configuration options that can help you customize your design workspace. In that list, look for the option labeled Show Margins and click it. The moment you do, dotted lines will appear along the inside border of your design canvas. Those are your margins. These dotted guides don't print or appear in your final download. They're just there to help you visually space everything evenly. They act like invisible borders, showing you where it's safe to keep your important elements, like text and logos, so nothing ends up looking cramped or gets accidentally trimmed off. Once your margins are visible, take a second to adjust your layout. Try moving your elements around and notice how much cleaner and more balanced everything feels when it stays within those dotted lines. It instantly gives your design a more polished and professional look. Even though it's such a small adjustment, turning on margins can make a huge difference in your overall design quality. It helps maintain consistent spacing and gives your project that extra level of precision that really stands out. And that's it. You've just learned how to add margins in Canva. Now you can confidently organize your designs, knowing that everything stays perfectly aligned. Take a few minutes to experiment. Move things around, test different placements, and see how much better your design looks when you use these visual guides. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and keep creating beautiful designs. Happy designing!